Hello again, everybody. This is my final video on indexing, third of three videos on the indexing assignment. And here again is the page on the indexing assignment. We talked about already the guided tour that you're supposed to look at first, and then how to actually go about finding a batch to work on, and then you're supposed to work on it for 3 hours. And then don't have to do it all at once. You can do some for an hour or half an hour or however long you want and come back and do it. It's supposed to be for 3 hours total. And then at the end, you're supposed to save a screenshot to your computer and upload it to the indexing assignment page. There's a link here there to a very useful page that'll tell you how. Most of you probably already know how to take a screenshot, but just in case that's an issue, in fact, I know how to do it, and I learned some things from this page. This tells you how to take a screenshot in any operating system just about that you can think of: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Chrome, OS, Linux, and so forth. And it gives, like with Windows, it gives you options. You can press print screen. Where is that? You can take a screenshot of a single window with Alt print screen. You can take a screenshot of a specific area with Windows 10 this way, or this is how you paste it, where you paste it. You can save it. You can take a screenshot, have it saved directly as a file in Windows 8 or 10, and so forth. So that's very useful. So use that link if you have any questions about how to take a screenshot. But the real question is, okay, what am I supposed to take a screenshot of? So we're again here on the main web indexing page, where you go to find your batches. What the assignment wants you to do is you scroll down to this progress chart, and it'll show you the number of records that you did over any period of time. And so this is the area you're supposed to take a screenshot of. So you can either take a rectangle shot of this graph, or take a screenshot of the whole page, or whatever. But that is what you're supposed to submit. So go to this part of the page that shows how many records that you worked on, and hit it and take a screenshot, save it as a file to your computer, and then go to the next page in the lesson materials in the course that shows indexing, and then just upload it here, wherever you see that. And that's how to do it. So I look forward to seeing your submissions, and I hope you enjoy indexing. It can be a lot of fun and very rewarding.